Hey there, thank you so much for watching. P-Series PBX Software Edition is officially released. You can install it on a virtual machine or a physical machine. This video will discuss deploying Yeastar P-Series PBX Software Edition using VMware. First of all, we offer a 30-day trial license for free with no upfront payment. You can go visit our website yeastar.com, click on the free trial button on the top menu, then choose software-based PBX, fill in the required information, and submit it. Then your trial application will be approved automatically, and you will be directed to Yeastar panel portal. Log in with the email you used to apply for the trial. Now, you can activate the P-Series PBX Software Edition through this portal. By the way, this is a portal specially for our partners. Here we can view all PBXs we have and manage them. And of course, we can place new orders and find exclusive materials for our customers. Now we go to Products and Purchase. In the product list, choose Software PBX, and here we can see the PBX we just applied. Click on Install. In the pop-up, we can obtain the activation code. Note it down for later. Now we choose VMware. We'll be directed automatically to the installation guide. Here we can check all the details, but the first thing to do is to download the ISO of the Software PBX. We offer both automatic and manual installation. You can choose whichever you prefer. Let's start with automatic ISO. If you're interested in manual install, you can jump to this time. After downloading, we can start to install our VMware. Now to install the P-Series PBX Software Edition, the VMware firmware version must be 15.1.0 or later. So for step 1, we'll create a virtual machine with VMware. Launch the VMware Workstation. Follow the installation wizard. First, we choose Typical. Of course, if you're familiar with the process, you can also click on Advanced for more customization. Click on Next. Now we get into Guest Operating System installation. Choose I will install the operating system later. Click on Next. Here we need to select the guest operating system for the VM. We choose Linux. Set the version to Ubuntu 64-bit. Click on Next. Then we can choose a location to install the virtual machine. When we're done, click on Next. Here we need to set the maximum disk size for the VM. We need at least 40 gigs to ensure the installation process. Now we're done, click on Finish. And the virtual machine is now created successfully. For now, we do some further configuration on the VM. Let's choose the newly created VM and click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Check the Hardware tab and get into CD/DVD. Here we select Connect Have Power On. Then the PBX will be connected automatically when we power on the VM. Now we define the connection method. Check on Use ISO Image File. Click on Browse and find the P-Software Auto ISO Image File location. Then we need to configure the network for our VM. Click on Network Adapter. For a newly created VM, it uses the default NAT automatically. With NAT, the virtual machine and our PC share the same network identity, which would cause the connection failure between the virtual machine and devices on the external network. So in the network connection section, select Bridged, connect directly to the physical network. This way, the remote accessibility will be ensured. We still need to set up the firmware type. Go to the Options and click on Advanced. In the firmware type, select the BIOS. Now we can click on OK and finish the configuration for the VM. Next step, we can install Yeastar P-Series PBX Software Edition on the VM. Click it to power on this virtual machine. Choose Try or Install Ubuntu Server, then press Enter. Wait till this installation process is not running. Then press Enter. If we see PBX login, that means the installation is successful. Next, let's get into the manual installation. Manual install works for installing the PBX in a pointed partition of the disk. We can still click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. In CD/DVD, here we select Connect Have Power On. Then the PBX will be connected automatically when we power on the VM. Check on Use ISO Image File. Click on Browse choose the manual ISO. Click on Network Adapter. So in the Network Connection section, select Bridged, connected directly to the physical network. We still need to set up the firmware type. Go to the Options and click on Advanced. In the firmware type, select the BIOS. Now we can click on OK and finish the configuration for the VM. Next step, we can install Yeastar P-Series PBX Software Edition on the VM. Then click on Power on this virtual machine. Choose Try or Install Ubuntu Server and press Enter. In a while, after we see the main, select Custom Storage Layout and select Down. Let's set it up. Select Free Space, press Enter. Then in Add GPT, press Enter. In Format, we select /swap. Here we assign 10 gigs of storage space to it. Then click on Create. Now we repeat to the rest of the free space. Press Enter. We assign another 10 gigs to it and click on Create. Now we repeat, only this time in Mount we choose /Home. Then click Create. Now all the devices are created and we can see in the file system summary. Click on Down and Continue. Then create a user account. VMware will start running. After a while, we'll see this prompt. Here we press Enter to move to continue the installation process. Wait till this installation process is not running, then press Enter. When you see IPPBX login, the installation is complete. Now we can change the default IP address of this PBX before we access it. We put in support and then press Enter. Then at the password prompt, type in login PBX. However, if your PBX version is older than 83.18.0.18, here we need to enter QHCYAXS GCYWYMG 2022. When you're done typing, press Enter. Now we're in Ubuntu system information. Here we put in 1 and press Enter to update network configuration. We can follow the prompt to put in our new IP address, netmask, and gateway. Then press Enter. When everything's done, open a web browser and drop in the new IP address. Now we have logged into our free trial. This means the PBX has been deployed successfully. Alright, that was how we deploy Yeastar P-Series PBX Software Edition using VMware. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more about Yeastar P-Series PBX system, please visit yeastar.com and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And I will catch you guys in the next one.